Good morning, students. In the last class, we are discussing about expression, terms, factors, coefficients, and monomial, binomial, trinomials, polynomials, like and unlike terms. In today's class, let us learn about algebraic expressions. Well, student, let us learn about addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions. Addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Well, students, we have to note down the very important points. When both are plus, we have to add and write plus sign. Both are plus, we have to add and write the plus sign. When both are minus, again we have to add and write the minus sign. One is plus, another is minus. Subtract and write greater number sign. One is minus, another is plus. Subtract and write greater number sign. Please note down this important concept, my dear students. If you know these three things, these four things, we have to make any operation. It is the basic of mathematics. When both are plus, we have to add and write the plus sign. When both are minus, we have to add and write the minus sign. One is plus, another is minus. Subtract and write the greater number sign. One is minus, another is plus. Subtract and write the greater number sign. Well, student, we will pass on to some problem. Add 7x square minus 4x plus 5, 9x minus 10. Add. Why we are going to add the algebraic expression? We have to follow some rules. First rule, write the first expression, 7x square minus 4x plus 5. Second one, the very important steps that we have to follow. Write the terms under the like term. 9x comes under this one. This is called constant, comes under constant. So, there is no like term for 7x square, put as it is. Go through this one, we are able to do the problem ourselves. So, one is minus, another is plus. One is minus, another is plus. Subtract and write the greater number sign. Subtract 9 minus 4, 5. Which is the greater number? Plus. Don't add the variable. Put the variable as it is. Put the variable as it is. Now, one is plus, another is minus. Subtract 10 minus 5, 5. Write the greater number sign. Next one. I think we will follow. Once again I want to explain. Add 7x square minus 4x plus 5. 9x minus 10. 7x square minus 4x plus 5. Write under the like term 4x. 9x minus 10. There is no like term here. Put the plus sign. This is as it is plus. One is minus, another is plus. Subtract. Unlike signs, subtract. Like signs, add. 9 minus 4, 5. Put the greater number plus 5. Again, plus and minus, subtract. Greater number minus 5. Next, add 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 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx 4yz 9zx minus 4y 3xz plus 5x minus 2xy. There are three terms here. How we solve? How we add these? Follow the same rule. Write the first expression 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx. Second one is 4yz. Where is yz? Here is yz. Right under 4yz. 9zx minus 4y. It is 9 4yz. Excuse me. Plus 9zx. Yeah. 4yz comes under yz under the right term. 9zx plus 9zx minus 4y. So where we write this minus 4y? It is not comes under these because it is unlike the write it in a separate. Okay. Next one minus 3xz. Where is xz? Xz is nothing but zx. Please note down this point, my dear students. Zx is nothing but xz minus 3xz. Next, plus 5x. No 5x. Write it as 5x as it is. Minus 2xy. This is minus 2xy. Under the bracket. One is plus, another is minus. Subtract. 7 minus 2, 5. Greater number plus 5. Don't add the variable, put it as it is. Now, when both are plus, go through the rule. 5 plus 4, 9yz. See, minus 3zx, minus 3zxz, minus 3xz. What is the rule? When both are minus, we have to add minus 3, minus 6zx plus 9zx. Again plus or minus subtract 9zx, 6zx. 9 minus 6 plus 3zx. 3zx. No added minus 4 plus 5. This is the final answer. I want to explain my dear student once again. Write the like 7xy plus 5zx minus 3zx. 2xy put it inside. 4yz 9zx minus 4y separate minus 3xz. Xz is nothing but zx. No difference. Next. Plus 5x. 7 minus 2, 5. Because one is plus, another is minus, subtract and write the greater number sign plus. See here is 5 plus 4, 9yz. Minus 3, minus 6z. Plus 9z. 9 minus 6, minus 3xz plus 3z. Minus 4y plus 5x. Next. This all comes under addition. Next one is subtraction of algebraic expression. Subtraction of algebraic expressions. Subtraction of algebraic expression. Under this subtraction, we have subtract 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3 from plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. See, there is a lot of difference between the subtraction and addition of algebraic expressions. Here we have to note down the word from. The word from is very important in case of subtraction. Because first write the from word from expression 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Not write this one. Write the from. From the word from is very important. Next one is 5x square minus 4y square, which it comes under this one because it is y square, it is y square, minus 4y square plus 6y comes under 6y minus 3, the last term. Once again, write the word from. We have to note down the word from in case of subtraction. Write the from expression 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Then under this one 5x square comes under 7x square minus 4y square comes under 8y square 6y comes under minus 3y minus 3 constant as it is. The very important step that we are going to follow in case of subtraction is change the sign of the second expression. No sign here, plus become minus, minus become plus become minus become plus. We have to change the sign of the second expression. Now, while doing the operation, we are going to consider not this side, this side. Here is a plus, here is a plus, here is a minus. One is plus, another is minus. The rule, subtract and write the greater number side. 7 minus 5, 2. Write the variable as it is. What is the sign that I am going to put? Plus, because it is the greater number side. No change, write as it is. My dear students, note down this one. Here is a plus, here is a plus. When both are plus, 8 plus 4, that is equal to 12y square. Because no, we are not going to consider this side. We consider this side. Plus 5x as it is, no change. The very important step, my dear student, both are minus. Follow this rule. Minus 3 minus 6 minus 9y. This become minus 3 become plus 3. Subtrahend, minuend, we are going to discuss, already discussed in your 7th standard. So, check the answer. 2x square minus 4xy plus 4y square plus 5x minus 9y plus 3. Now, we are going to solve some problems based on this. Addition and subtraction. Add the following. Add the following. AB minus BC, BC minus CA, CA minus AB. Add the following. I will tell you one more method, my dear student. It is one of the standard method, I think so. Okay. So AB minus BC plus BC minus CA plus CA minus AB. What is the numeric quotient of this is 1. What is this? 1. What is this? 1. This is 1. 1A plus 1AB minus 1AB cancel. Minus 1BC plus 1BC cancel. Plus 1CA minus plus 1CA minus 1CA. What is the answer we get? 0. One student asked me, sir, you are right to add, but you are going to cancel all these. Why? Because One is plus, another see minus 6 and plus 6. Like this. Minus 6 plus 6. Giving 6 rupees, take back 6 rupees. What is the amount left over? 0. Like this. Plus AB minus AB plus BC minus BC plus BC minus BC plus CA minus CA. That is 0. Next. Second. A minus B plus AB. B minus C plus BC. C minus A plus AC. Listen here. A minus B plus AB. While writing the second term plus B minus C plus BC plus C minus A plus AC. Take the like terms on one side. A, this is plus A minus A. Minus B plus B. Like terms A, B, B. And minus C plus C. What is left over here? Plus AB plus BC plus AC. Same previous problem. Plus A minus A cancel. Minus B plus B cancel. Plus C minus C cancel. What is left over? AB plus BC plus CA or nothing but AC. Any doubts? Next one. 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square. Write the first expression because we are going to add 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. Sir, in the second step, what we are going to do? Write the like terms under the like terms. Minus 3p square q square plus 7pq plus 5. This is addition. One is plus, another minus. Plus is minus, subtract. 3 minus 2, 1. Greater number, minus 1. P square, Q square. Don't add the variables. Don't add the variables. Next, plus 7. 1 is minus, another is plus. 7 minus 3, 4pq. But we have to put the greater number, plus. Both are plus. 5 plus 4, 9. This is final answer. Once again, 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. Minus 3p square q square comes under the right term. Minus 3pq comes under 7pq plus 4 plus 5. 3, 1 is plus, another is minus. 3 minus 2, 1. 7 minus 3, 4. 5 plus 4, 9. Next, I will pass on to next problem. L square plus m square, m square plus n square, n square plus L square. Please, these are all the different types of problems. L square plus m square. Next one, what do we write here? Plus m square plus n square plus n square plus L square. Sir, we will do it in one more method, sir. This is somewhat confusing. We will write like this: L square plus m square plus m square plus n square plus n square plus n square. Write this one, put the plus. Write this one, put the plus. We will take the like terms on one side. L square plus L square. Next, m square plus m square. M square plus n square. What is the quotient? 1. What is the quotient? 1. 1 plus 1, 2l square. 1, 1, 2m square. 1, 1, 2n square. There is one more under this. The problem will continue like this. One more step is there. Continue. 2lm, 2mn, 2nl. Like this. L square plus m square, m square plus n square, m square plus l square plus 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl. Take the right terms on one side. L square plus L square, m square plus m square, n square plus n square plus 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl. 1l square, 1l square, 2l square. 1m square, 1m square, 2m square. 1n square, 1n square, 2m square. Shall we add this? No. This is ln, this is mn, this is nl. We are not going to add because these are all unlike terms. So what we write? 2lm, 2mn plus 2ln. This is all the problem based on the addition. Next I will pass on to subtraction. Subtraction of algebraic expressions. Subtraction. Subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. First, under the subtraction, whatever I have already told you, write the word from. What are the from tells us? 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Next one is, what is the next step that we are going to follow? Write under the like terms. 4a, this is 4a. 7ab minus 7ab plus 3b under 5b plus 12 under minus 3. Change the sign of the second expression. Here no sign, plus become, minus become, plus become, plus become, minus. One is plus, another is neglect the signs. We are going to consider this sign here. One is plus, another is minus. 12 minus 4, 8a. Greater number sign, plus. One is minus, another is plus. 9 minus 7, 2ab. Write the variable as it is. Greater number minus. One is plus, another is minus. 5 minus 3 plus 2b. Why we write plus? Because greater number sign. Here the very important. Here is a minus. Here is a minus. When both are minus, we have to add and write the minus sign. Minus 3 minus 12 minus 15. Next one. I want to consider. We have to consider from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3 under 4a under 7ab plus 3b plus 12. 12 minus 4 plus 8a. See, 9 minus 7 minus 2ab, 5 minus 3 plus 2b, both are minus, minus 15. Next one is subtract 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx from 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. So this is the subtraction. Under the subtraction, we are going to consider from 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. 5xy, like term plus 3xy. 5yz plus 5yz minus 7zx. Okay. Change the sign of the second expression. Plus become minus, plus become minus, minus become plus. 5 minus 3. Here is a plus, here is a minus. Don't consider this. 5 minus 3, 2xy plus 2xy. Very important. Here is a minus, here is a minus. When both are minus, we have to add and write the minus sign. Minus 5 minus 2 minus 7yz. Here is a plus, here is a minus. 7 minus 2 plus 5zx. Why, sir? Consider here. Here there is no sign here. We consider this sign among these two greater number plus 5z. Put as it is 10xyz. Next I will pass on to one more problem. Subtract 4p square cube minus 3p cube plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10 from 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square cube. Sir, it is a look like a big problem, but it is very easy to solve. Write the from 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square cube. Under the vector 4p square cube, where it is situated here, 5p square, 4p square cube minus 3p cube. This is minus 3p cube. Like sir, right under plus 5p cube plus 5pq square plus 5pq square minus 8p like this plus 7q minus 10. Okay. Now change the sign of the second expression. Minus become plus, minus become plus, plus become minus, minus become plus, plus become minus, plus become minus. Now here is a plus, here is a plus. When both are plus, we have to add and write the plus sign. Plus 18 plus 10 plus 28. Here is a plus, here is a minus. 8 minus 3 plus 5p. Why we write plus 5p? Because greater number sign. Both are minus. Minus 7, minus 11, minus 7, minus 18q. Plus 5 plus 3 plus 8pq. Minus 2pq square minus 5pq square. Negate this one. Minus 7pq square. One is plus, another is minus. 5 minus 4 plus 1p square cube. Please write the from 18 minus 3p minus 7q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square cube. Under the vector plus 4p square cube minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10. Change the sign of the second expression. Minus become plus, minus become plus, plus become minus, minus become plus, plus become minus, plus become minus. 18 plus 10 plus 28 plus 8 minus 3. What we get? 8 minus 3 plus 5, because we are going to put the greater number sign. Minus 11 minus 7 minus 18 cube plus 5p cube plus 3p cube will become 8p cube. 5 both are minus. Minus 5 minus 2 minus 7pq square. 5 plus 4 sorry, plus 5 minus 4, 1 p square cube. Like this, we are going to solve the problem based on algebraic expressions.